As the remaining foreigners leave the war-torn African country of Eritrea, the prospect looms of an all-out war with neighbouring Ethiopia. The US proposed sending a peace envoy to the region. I'm Tom Porter. This is Bloomberg Television. More on that and other stories in just a moment. Also catch up on the latest sporting news in just over 20 minutes, and in just under half an hour we'll have a full weather roundup. But first, let's go over to the financial markets desk for a quick update.
Taking a look at the financial markets now, I'm Susanna Palmer. The stock market rallied Friday, with the Dow getting its first 100-plus point gain in 12 sessions. Traders took May's stronger than expected jobs data as a sign the U.S. economy continues to rise at a pretty good clip, and that corporate profits still have lots of room to grow. Stocks have been in a rut lately, partly on concern that Asia's slowing economies are going to cut into U.S. growth and earnings. Checking on the numbers now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average tacked on 167 points to reach 9,038. The S&P 500 was up 19 points at the end of the session to 1114. And the Nasdaq posted a gain of 13 points to finish out at 1783. Now for a look at how the European markets closed out Friday's session, let's go to Mark Barton at the Bloomberg London Bureau.
With a look at the past week's activity on Europe's main equity markets, I'm Mark Barton. The trading week in London was dominated by events in Asia and a surprise announcement by the Bank of England. On Monday, Hong Kong's benchmark index slumped to a 5-month low. This hurt HSBC Holdings, Standard Chartered and other companies that depend on the territory for profit. CB was the biggest percentage decliner over the week, falling 12.7%. On Tuesday, the engineering company warned the Far East remains a concern. The big shock came from the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee on Thursday. It decided to raise interest rates by a quarter point to 7.5%, the highest level since November 1992. The move caught the markets totally unawares, and shares and gilts declined.